American Heroes. James Oglethorpe by Lynn Green. Chapter 1. Childhood. James Edward Oglethorpe was born in London, England in 1696. If you think that was a long time ago, you are right. It was more than 300 years ago.
London, England was a large, busy city when James Oglethorpe was born there.
James was born into a very wealthy family. James's father was a general in England's army. Because his family was wealthy, young James was able to go to school when he was a child. He loved to read and learn new languages. Not all English children had the chance to go to school. Children in many families that were not wealthy worked to earn money. Some started working when they were only 5 years old.
The words on the
As a young man, Oglethorpe was in Parliament. People in Parliament make laws. Only wealthy people were in Parliament. Oglethorpe worked hard in Parliament. He made speeches in favor of laws to protect people who were not wealthy. He became known as someone who wanted to make things better for people.
This was Oglethorpe's home in England.
Oglethorpe had a friend who owed someone money. His friend could not pay his debt. He was put in prison. Prisons were crowded. Prisoners were treated poorly. Oglethorpe wanted to help people like his friend. He had compassion for debtors and prisoners.